Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Product Reviews, where we help you make the smartest buying decisions for your gaming setup. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular questions we get. What are the absolute best graphics cards to pair with the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X in 2025? The Ryzen 5 7600X is an absolute powerhouse that outperformed its predecessor, the Ryzen 5 5600 times, by an impressive 29% across various applications. But here's the thing. Having such a capable processor means you need to pair it with the right GPU to truly unlock its potential and avoid any bottlenecking issues. Whether you're gaming at 1080p, pushing for that crisp 1440p experience, or going all out with 4K gaming, we've got you covered. We've tested and analyzed the top graphics cards across different price points to bring you the 5 best options that will perfectly complement your Ryzen 5 7600X. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's find your perfect GPU match. Starting at number 5, we have the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Twin Edge OC, our pick for the best budget NVIDIA option for your Ryzen 5 7600X. This compact powerhouse features NVIDIA's Ampere architecture with 4,864 CUDA cores and runs at a boost clock of 1,695. You'll get 8 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 256-bit bus width, which is more than enough for excellent 1080p gaming performance. What makes this card special is its design philosophy. The ZOTAC variant features a sleek, minimalistic gray shroud that takes up only 2 slots in your system. While it doesn't have RGB lighting, the ZOTAC branding on the fans gives it a clean, professional appearance. The card comes with a metal backplate for structural reinforcement, which is always a nice touch. Cooling-wise, ZOTAC has implemented their Ice Storm 2 technology, featuring 4 heat pipes and a substantial heatsink. The dual-fan design does an excellent job keeping the 3060 Ti running at safe temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. In terms of performance, this card absolutely shines at 1080p gaming. You can expect smooth, triple-digit frame rates at high settings in most modern games. The 8 GB of VRAM ensures you won't run into memory limitations at this resolution. However, if you're planning to game at 4K, this card will struggle due to its limited VRAM capacity. The power requirements are reasonable too. You'll need a 650W power supply unit, and it uses a single 8-pin PCIe connector. This makes it perfect for builders who want to keep their power consumption and costs down. This card is ideal if you're a budget-conscious gamer who primarily plays at 1080p resolution, or if you're building a small form factor system where space is at a premium. However, if you're planning to game at higher resolutions or want to do heavy overclocking, you might want to look at our other recommendations. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Moving up to number 4, we have the ASRock Phantom Gaming OC Radeon RX 7600, our top choice for the best budget AMD GPU to pair with your Ryzen 5 7600X. This card is built on AMD's latest RDNA 3 architecture and packs 2,048 streaming processors with an impressive boost clock of 2,755 METs. You'll get 8 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 128-bit bus width. And the best part? It comes with eye-catching RGB lighting that'll make your build look absolutely stunning. The design is where this card really stands out. ASRock has created a slim 2.4-slot card with customizable RGB lighting that covers a substantial portion of the graphics card. The central fan looks particularly appealing with its illuminating effects, and the side profile also features tasteful lighting touches that create an aggressive and stylish overall design. For cooling, ASRock has equipped this card with 3 striped axial fans and an extensive heatsink assembly with an array of copper heat pipe. This setup effectively increases the surface area for heat dissipation, keeping your card running cool even during extended gaming sessions. Performance-wise, the RX 7600 delivers excellent 1080p gaming performance. While the boost speed of 2,755 ms isn't the absolute highest we've seen, the combination of 2,048 streaming processors and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory ensures smooth gameplay at 1080p resolution with high settings in most modern titles. What makes this card particularly appealing is its price-to-performance ratio. You're getting solid gaming performance, attractive RGB lighting, robust cooling, and a 100 mHz factory overclock, all at a very reasonable price point. It's perfect for budget gamers who don't want to compromise on visual appeal or performance. The power requirements are modest, you'll need a 600W power supply, and it uses a single 8-pin PCIe connector. However, keep in mind that while this card excels at 1080p, it's not designed for 4K gaming due to its limited VRAM capacity. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. At number 3, we have the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, our pick for the best high-end GPU option for your Ryzen 5 7600X. This beast is built on NVIDIA's ADA Lovelace architecture and comes packed with an impressive 8,448 CUDA cores with a boost clock of 2,610 mHz and 16 GB of GDDR6x memory on a 256-bit bus. This card is designed for serious gaming performance. Plus, you get access to NVIDIA's cutting-edge DLSS 3 technology with frame generation capabilities. MSI has really outdone themselves with the build quality and design of this card. You'll find brushed metal surfaces on the front and a high-quality metal backplate that not only looks premium, but also helps with cooling. The selective RGB lighting complements the textured metal surfaces beautifully, creating a sophisticated look that'll enhance any high-end build. The cooling solution is where this card truly shines. MSI has equipped it with 3 Torx 5.0 fans that offer 23% better airflow compared to standard axial fans. Underneath the front shroud, you'll find a densely packed heatsink with 7 strategically routed heat pipes that maximize cooling efficiency with additional fins for optimal heat dissipation. Performance-wise, this card is an absolute monster. The RTX 4070 Ti Super can reach maximum clock speeds of 2,625 mHz, thanks to its robust 15-phase VRAM design and excellent cooling solution. This represents a 6.9% improvement over the reference card's maximum clock speed. The 16 GB of GDDR6x memory ensures you won't run into VRAM limitations even in the most demanding games. With DLSS 3 technology, you're getting AI-powered frame generation that can significantly boost your gaming performance while maintaining excellent image quality. This makes it perfect for high refresh rate gaming at 1440p, or even solid 4K performance in many titles. The power requirements are reasonable for a card of this caliber. You'll need a 700W power supply, and it uses a single 16-pin connector. Keep in mind that this is a larger card designed for full-size builds, so make sure your case has adequate space. This card is perfect if you want top-tier gaming performance and have the budget to match. It's ideal for enthusiasts who game at 1440p with high refresh rates or want to dip their toes into 4K gaming. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Coming in at number 2, we have the MSI Gaming X Trio GeForce RTX 4080, our choice for the best 4K gaming GPU to pair with your Ryzen 5 7600X. This powerhouse features NVIDIA's ADA Lovelace architecture with a massive 9,728 CUDA cores and a boost clock of 2,610 mHz. You'll get 16 GB of GDDR6x memory running at 22.4 gigabits per second on a 256-bit bus, making it perfectly equipped for high-resolution gaming and content creation. MSI has maintained their reputation for premium build quality with this card. The overall design is dominated by elegant black coloring with sophisticated gray highlights. The graphics card features a die-cast anti-bending plate that provides structural strength while also assisting with cooling, a thoughtful touch that shows MSI's attention to detail. The cooling system is absolutely impressive. Just like other cards in MSI's Trio lineup, this card features 3 Torx 5 fans for optimal airflow. The massive heatsink contains plenty of fins, and the card uses 8 perfectly placed heat pipes for efficient heat transfer. What's particularly clever is the square-shaped section of heat pipes that makes direct contact with the baseplate for accelerated heat removal. Performance is where this card truly excels. With 16 GB of GDDR6x memory, the RTX 4080 can handle all your applications at 4K resolution with ease. The card runs at a maximum clock speed of 2,610 mHz in extreme performance mode, which represents a solid 100% mHz improvement over the reference card. The robust 19-phase VRM design ensures stable power delivery even under the most demanding conditions. This card absolutely dominates 4K gaming. You'll be able to play the latest AAA titles at 4K resolution with high settings while maintaining smooth frame rates. The massive VRAM buffer means you won't run into memory limitations, and NVIDIA's DLSS technology can provide additional performance boosts when power requirements are substantial. You'll need an 850W power supply, and it uses a single 16-pin connector. This is also a large card designed for full-size builds, so ensure your case has adequate space and airflow. This card is perfect for enthusiasts who want the absolute best 4K gaming experience and don't mind paying premium prices for top-tier performance. If you're a content creator working with 4K video or a gamer who refuses to compromise on visual quality, this is your card. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the XFX Speedster Merc 310 Radeon RX 7900 XT, our pick for the best overall GPU for your Ryzen 5 7600X. This exceptional card is built on AMD's cutting-edge RDNA 3 architecture and features 5,376 streaming processors with a boost clock of 2,535 MHz. But here's what makes it truly special. You get a massive 20 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory on a 320-bit bus, providing incredible bandwidth for modern games and future-proofing your build. XFX has taken a refreshingly minimalistic approach with the design. The card features a simple, elegant design with 3 fans and occupies just 2.7 slots, making it relatively slim compared to other high-end GPUs. While it doesn't feature RGB lighting or flashy design elements, the clean aesthetic will fit perfectly in both gaming and professional builds. The cooling solution is where XFX's engineering expertise really shows. The card benefits from their Ghost thermal design, which includes vapor chamber cooling and a massive heatsink. 6 composite heat pipes ensure heat is quickly transferred from the GPU to the heatsink, where it's efficiently dissipated by 3 dual ball-bearing fans. This results in excellent thermal performance and whisper-quiet operation. Performance is absolutely outstanding. The RX 7900 XT delivers smooth 1440p gaming performance while providing enough headroom for 4K gaming in many titles. The significant factory overclock speed of 2535 mHz, combined with the sturdy 10+3+1 phase VRAM design, not only ensures stable performance but also allows for additional overclocking if you want to push the boundaries even further. What makes this card our #1 choice is the incredible value proposition. You're getting 20 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. That's more VRAM than cards costing significantly more. This massive memory buffer ensures you won't run into VRAM limitations in current games and provides excellent future-proofing as games become more. Power requirements are reasonable for a card of this performance level. You'll need a 750W power supply, and it uses dual 8-pin PCIe connectors. The 2.7 slot width means it'll fit in most standard cases without issues. This card is perfect for gamers who want exceptional 4K performance at a reasonable price, content creators who need lots of VRAM for their workflows, or anyone who wants a high-end GPU that'll remain relevant for years to come. The combination of outstanding performance, massive VRAM, and competitive pricing makes it our clear winner. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And there you have it, the top 5 best GPUs to pair with your AMD Ryzen 5 7600X in 2025. From budget-friendly options that deliver excellent 1080p performance to high-end cards that can handle 4K gaming with ease, we've covered every price point and performance level. Remember, the key to getting the most out of your Ryzen 5 7600X is choosing a GPU that matches your gaming needs and budget. Whether you're going with our top pick, the XFX Speedster Merc 310 Radeon RX 7900 XT for its incredible value and performance, or any of the other fantastic options we've covered, you can't go wrong. If this video helped you choose the perfect GPU for your build, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth hardware reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below and let us know which GPU you're planning to pair with your Ryzen 5 7600X. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Best Product Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.